In just 3 minutes, see how humans evolved from ancient apes to creators of AI and machines. This is our story. 6 million years ago, something changed. Our ancestors split from the chimpanzees. They stood upright, walked on 2 legs, and had big brains. Around 2.5 million years ago, Homo habilis began using simple tools, hunting with spears and walking long distances in search of food. Migration followed. Homo erectus was the first to leave Africa, spreading to Asia and Europe. They hunted, they gathered, they made tools, and most importantly, they learned to control fire. 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens was born in a cradle of civilization. We were social, creative, and curious. We painted on cave walls, buried our dead, and formed languages. 70,000 years ago, we spread to every corner of the planet. Then came the biggest shift, farming. We stopped wandering and built civilizations. Cities rose, empires grew, and writing changed everything. Just 200 years ago, the Industrial Revolution began. Inventions exploded: electricity, trains, medicine, factories. In 1969, we walked on the moon. Then came computers, the internet, and, we live with artificial intelligence. Machines can think, learn, and solve problems once thought exclusive to humans. And all this in just a few decades. We've transformed faster than ever before. But now we ask, what's next? Will we evolve with machines, upload our minds, travel to other planets? From ancient apes to artificial intelligence, evolution is not over. It's only just beginning. Subscribe for more mind-blowing journeys into evolution. This is Evolution Explained.